Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Holy Stone HS440 drone versus the Mini Drone. These two compact drones are perfect for beginners and those looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to capturing breathtaking aerial shots, the camera quality is crucial. The Holy Stone HS440 drone is equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that can be controlled remotely or through the app. With a wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable angle, you can capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, the HS440 can handle it all. Next up, let's talk about flight time. The Holy Stone HS440 drone offers an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes. This is made possible by its powerful modular battery, allowing you to explore more of your surroundings without worrying about frequent battery changes. Design and features play a significant role in the overall drone experience. The Holy Stone HS440 drone features a foldable frame, making it highly portable and easy to carry around. It even comes with a convenient carrying case, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. With its intuitive and advanced features, the hydrogen sulfide provides complete freedom to create stunning footage. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Holy Stone HS440 drone for its versatility in capturing aerial shots and its extended flight time. On the other hand, the Mini Drone is highly regarded as a fun and easy-to-use drone, perfect for kids and beginners. Both the Holy Stone HS440 drone and the Mini Drone have their unique strengths. If you're looking for a drone with exceptional camera capabilities and an extended flight time, the hydrogen sulfide drone is the way to go. On the other hand, if you're searching for a drone that's perfect for kids and beginners with fun flight modes and voice gesture control, the Mini Drone is an excellent choice. Remember, the Holy Stone HS440 drone is priced at $129, while the Mini Drone comes in at $69. Consider your budget and the specific features that matter most to you. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you make a smarter buying decision. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.